What's up, guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to replace a thermostat on a 2012 Dodge Charger, which applies to many fixes. We're going to keep it short and brief for your time's sake, whatever. Here we go. Remove the cover and remove the air by using, 8mm or a flathead screwdriver here and behind there. Disconnect the little connector that's down there and remove that. It should all come in one assembly. So let's do that real quick. Alright guys, that's the connector that I'm talking about. Be sure to, squeeze and pull that out. That one right there. Alright, all you do is pull it and that's it. It comes out in one piece, just like that. Now you have plenty of room to get to your thermostat right there. Okay guys, so this is the new part and it comes in one assembly altogether. It's going to be two screws, 10mm, one on the top, one on the bottom. Alright, so I'm going to show you a quick close-up. So you can see that's the top one right there. And then here's the bottom one. It's very, very easy to get to. Alright, you're not gonna have any trouble. Now, I recommend you pull this out and then lift the whole thing up and then remove it from the hose so you don't spill much coolant, okay? You may want to put a drip pan underneath so you can catch any coolant that falls over from the top, if there's any. Alright, there we go. For preventative measures, before you're losing anything up, try getting this clamp, squeeze it and put it further this way. And spray a little WD-40 in here or any lubricant so you can go ahead and make this much easier to take off. Okay, just a quick tip. Now what the WD-40 is going to do is going to make it easier for you to move the pipe around. We recommend using a clamp hose thing so you can make it easier on yourself, like that. But whatever, you got it, you got it. If you don't, you don't. Here we go. Alright, so with these screws removed, now all we got to do is just pull this out and install the new thermostat back in. Okay, so once you pull it out like that, just remove the old thermostat and install the new one back in, and then you're able to line it up and put it in place. Oh, before you do that, make sure you clean this mating surface right here to make sure that there's no debris or anything in there. Okay, so don't forget about your drip tray down there. Once everything is tightened down, grab a large Phillips or a flathead and open up this vent. Loosen this up. Remember, don't lose this now, huh? And then fill up your coolant until it starts to come out of here, until nothing but coolant comes out of here, and then put it back. All right. Once you finish that up, top off your coolant, and then you're good to go. Put everything back together and the job is done. So this is the code that my car is throwing. Once I replace the once I replace the thermostat in the front, we're gonna go ahead and clear these codes. Let's see, clear it. Shut the engine off and leave the ignition on. Oops, didn't mean to do that. There we go. Now erase data trouble codes. Race successful. Turn it back on. And the light is off, the problem is fixed. Drive it around about 100 miles and you're good to go. Of course, do a system bleeding before you go anywhere or your car may overheat. Top off your coolant and you're good to go.